Hi, it's Andrew, the Bearded Giant, and I am working on a welding table for my back patio workspace, and got some steel I've pre-cut, doing some prep on it. I probably won't do any welding today, but I'll roll this into the rest of the video. So here's kind of what I'm working on. So these pieces are all 32 inches long, and these two are 40 inches. I know those because these are going to be 4 legs and 2 support and 2 cross members. And this will be 2 support. I don't know the length of the other set of long cross members. It might be 39 inches. So I'm not going to follow the same pattern on one of the supports on the long edge. So I'll have to determine that length when I come to it. It's Andrew, the Bearded Giant. Like many of you, we get busy with our lives and we can't partake in our hobbies like we'd like to. So my welding table has taken a back seat for a couple of weeks. So I thought I'd work on it a little bit today, see what kind of progress I can make, and let's tape it. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and remember to subscribe and support your small YouTuber. If you have friends and family who YouTube as well, go ahead and throw a subscription their way and watch their videos. We all appreciate it, and thank you. So where I last left off, I had done some prep work, pre-cut some steel, and I'm going to see if I can't fab some of this up. I'm gonna have to do a little wire wheel. It's been sitting out for a while. It's gotten a little rusty. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, it is on the ground. It rolls. Alright. I am going to move all that out of the way and roll it over there, and then get ready to weld these steel plates on. That'd be nice. So here's the welding table. It's 48 inches by 39 inches. I have a gap in the middle where I can clamp down to. It's about 36 inches tall. It's on casters. I haven't put the cross members in yet because I need to determine where I want a shelf, because my cross members are gonna be the basis for a shelf. So I'll do that in the next week or so. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about what I learned. I learned I don't like welding upside down. The slag falls, burns through your clothes, catches your beard on fire. It's very uncomfortable, and I recommend welding right side up. Hopefully with this new welding table I can do that, and I don't have to use my scaffold plank anymore. It's very exciting. So, man, it really is not fun welding upside down. Let that be a lesson from this beginner to all you beginners and experienced welders out there. It sucks. At one point, you know, you smell the smell of the welding and the flux and all that, and then I got this different odor, and I realized some slag or some flux got in behind my my welding mask, and it was burning my beard. Anyway, thanks for watching. I didn't film the welding of the plates to the table. I used clamps to clamp them down here. See, I clamped them to the cross members there, and I tacked them about every 6 inches. I tacked it about every 6 inches. I think that will be strong enough. I mean, this is 1/4 inch steel. It's heavy enough it won't move on its own, but by tacking it about every 6 inches, I don't think it's going to move at all. Thanks for joining me in my adventures with this. I'll be doing some more welding. I'll do a little video on the cross members. I'm gonna get some tube steel. This angle iron I have is awfully thick. I want to use some thinner walled steel. I think it'll be easier. But this little Chicago Electric Flux Core welder from Harbor Freight has been really fun to use. It's easy. My welds are ugly. I made a comment to someone the other day that they look like old chewed gum, but they hold. Now I'm rambling, and I'm going to say goodnight to you all. Peace out, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support your small YouTuber. Peace out.